Hey, I'm Jose Vega, and I am a professional watchmaker. Watches, just like anything, are machines, and they do require maintenance. So if you service your watches regularly, they will probably outlive you. Basic watch maintenance, get your watches cleaned, just aesthetic cleaning, getting all the dirt and grime and suntan lotion out of them. It goes a long way. So if you're gonna go in the ocean with your watch, it's probably wise to just give it a quick rinse and dry it off after you use it. Manipulating crowns and pushers with water around it isn't the best. As far as like waterproof checking, you could check that every year. That's a good thing to do. Most places will do it on the spot. Typical service is like an oil change in your car. You gotta do it on your watch. You need fresh oils, fresh grease. Typical service interval, every brand is gonna say something different. If I say 7 to 8 years, you'll probably come back in 10, so that's cool. Brands that have the most reliable movements, it's gonna be a Rolex. It's gonna work every time. It will work long past their service interval. They go together very easily. It's just very well made. Yes, water resistance can be restored. New gaskets can be made, it's just more of finding the parts. If you bring me a diver watch that's no name, the company's not around anymore, it's gonna be a little more difficult. But your standard dive watch, yeah, it could be waterproof again. I do get a lot of questions. People come in the store and they're like, can I wear my watch in the shower? I'm like, do you take your socks off when you shower? I'm like, yeah. Take your watch off. Like, why are you gonna wear it in the water? It just adds an element to it that you shouldn't. I'd prefer a non-in-house movement, and it's been tested time and time. I've had watches that are in-house and they have issues, whereas a 7750 that's been used in every single watch brand since the 50s, it's gonna work every time. 7750 will outlive a cockroach in a nuclear war. Watch winders? No, I'm not for them. You turn your car off when you come home, you could let your watch rest. It makes sense if you're an old man and you have a perpetual calendar, but other than that, it's part of the joy of owning watches, is setting them. Value. It's more aesthetic. They've made some amazing movements. La Mania's lasted a lot longer though. Best movement finishing in a watch company would be Lange to me. Everything is executed to the highest degree. There's no lint, it's a perfect watch. So one watch for the rest of my life, and with no price in mind, a Patek 1518. Perpetual calendar, chronograph, it's a work of art.